Selection Nerd Kit is now equipped with Select Component pop-up, which consists Select Similar feature. Depending on the component mode, for now edges and polygons, you can set your rules based on which new edges or polygons will be selected. It works like this. Select polygon or edge which will act as a rule itself. Set how different other polygons or edges can be in comparison to the selected one, and click Select Similar. Easy. This feature is a helper. Often you need some base selection on which you can do loop or grow or select more or less to get what you want. Its intention is to give you a starting point instead of hunting down components manually. Oh, and if you are using Modo 14 or 15, you can get benefit of storing value presets for similarity rules by using form presets. Simply click preset part of the label and create those which works best for you for different situations. Neat.